day, everybody. Good day, dear judges. A team far from home is happy to welcome you. Let me quickly present the team. It's Yulia Periverzina from USA, Deanne Taylor from USA, Igor Shvets from Canada, and Raphael Potin, the team lead from Canada as well. So the problem definition. During the COVID-19 crisis, we faced an expected problem. There is no easy way to manage stock for COVID-19 testing and vaccination in the future. We want our warehouse responsible for the stock management to be able to forecast demand and purchase kits, assign testing kits to nurses, and reports on usage. Amanda B., head of digital transformation in one of the biggest Montreal hospitals. So the proposed solution we have that we're going to build on top of field service using Forms Pro will be able to create COVID-19 appointments. In the background, it's going to be work order in Dynamic 365. Based on the language preferences, we will assign appropriate nurse to a patient using Power Automate. The incident type of COVID-19 will create an automated inventory demand because the cases for the COVID-19 tests are very similar. The test case will be automatically assigned to a nurse, and each nurse will be represented by the warehouse. A nurse will have a Canvas app to set a test complete for a patient, so that the Canvas app will be able to consume inventory from the system and subsequently set work order status to close. Our solution will have a full reporting suite using Power BI.
The first step of our solution is based on a Microsoft Forms Pro. We built a simple form just to gather some information from the person who wants to register for the test. So you have the first name, last name, you have to put your email address, so you will get a number to present when you will go for the test. Select a date, desired date for the test. Select the preferred language, and then just click on submit. Okay, it's really simple. You can embed these forms directly on your website, or you can just put a button and redirect the person to these forms outside of the website. You will get an email like this one with a number you will have to present when you will go for the test.
Front page of a model-driven apps, we have the list of the tests that were scheduled using Microsoft form. We have the patient, we have the nurses that take care of the examination, and we have the product inventory. This is something that you have a current stage of inventory per office and per nurse. When you open the tests themselves, when you go to the work order number, the thing that you have here, you have the status of the work order that is scheduled for the nurse, this that we have in this booking here for the French-speaking nurse. Also, when you look at the products, you have the predefined the set of products that are an estimated stage that will turn into the used and leave the inventory once the nurse finishes her task. Also, under the inventory section, we have all our configuration settings for the inventory, as well as the purchase orders.
When a nurse begins the day, she will use this app to follow all the COVID-19 tests she has to do. You will see the status here, the patient, and if we go on this one, you will have some details and you will be able to mark it as completed or as cancelled. If you click mark as completed, it will update directly the data in Dynamics 365 Field Service, updating the status of the COVID-19 test and consume the inventory.
A dashboard that can show the inventory as being consumed in the real time, as well as the product trends and the running total and the request for the product by warehouse. Obviously, more things can be added